Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these email management tools, which is Fyxer. So Fyxer is a built-in streamlined inbox kiosk with AI that categorizes email draft responses in your tone. It's synchronized with calendar for smooth scheduling. It's great for professionals who juggle high email volume and need a smart prioritization without micromanaging their inbox. The learning curve is minimal and the AI gets smarter the more you use it, which makes it more daily communication far more efficient. On the flip side, Fyxer premium pricing can be a drawback compared to simpler tools, and the occasional AI misclassification means you still need to double check important messages. Still, if you are after a powerful assistant that cuts through noise and boosts productivity, Fyxer is a top contender for best email management in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.